Hi, everyone. Wow, can you believe it? We've made it to the final airport vocabulary lesson. You've come such a long way, and I'm so proud of you for keeping up till the end. Every word you've learned will help you travel more easily and confidently anywhere in the world. So don't stop now. Give it your best one last time. Are you ready? Let's begin our final airport vocabulary class. When you arrive in another country, the first place you go through is immigration. Let's learn some useful words and phrases for that situation.
Purpose of visit. The officer might ask, "What's the purpose of your visit?" That means, "Why are you coming to this country?" You can answer, "I'm here for business." Vacation. If you're traveling for fun or sightseeing, you can say, "I'm here for vacation." Return ticket. Sometimes they'll ask, "Do you have a return ticket?" That means they want to see proof that you'll go back home after your trip. So you can show your ticket or say, "Yes, I have a return ticket for next week." Agricultural products. Some countries don't allow certain food or plants. The officer may ask, "Are you bringing any agricultural products?" That means fruits, vegetables, or seeds. If you don't have any, you can say, "No, I'm not." Fingerprint scanner. Next, you might see a fingerprint scanner. The officer could say, "Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner." Just put your fingers on the machine to scan them. Inspection. Sometimes your luggage is checked randomly. Your luggage was selected for random inspection. That means the officers will open your bag to take a quick look. Proceed. You'll often hear this announcement: "Passengers arriving from international flights, please proceed to immigration." That means you should move forward to the immigration counter. Immigration officer. The person checking your passport is called an immigration officer. They will ask questions, check your documents, and stamp your passport. Arrival card. Before landing, you might get an arrival card. It asks for your name, passport number, and travel details. Please fill out the arrival card before landing. Customs declaration form. After immigration, you'll need to go through customs. If you bought or brought something valuable, you may need to fill out a customs declaration form. You need to submit the customs declaration form at the customs desk. Citizens or residents. At immigration, you'll see different lines. Citizens or residents for local people. Visitors or foreign passports. Visitors' foreign passports for travelers from other countries. Make sure to go to the right line.
Once you finish immigration, congratulations! You're officially in your destination country. Now, let's learn some words you'll need after arrival. Baggage claim. After immigration, go to baggage claim to get your luggage. That's where all checked bags are delivered after the flight. Baggage carousel or baggage belt. You'll see a moving belt called a carousel or baggage belt. Baggage from flight KE 902 will arrive at carousel number 5.
Look for your flight number and wait for your suitcase to appear. Suitcase. If your bag doesn't show up, you can say, "My suitcase hasn't arrived yet." Then go to the Lost and Found desk to report it. Lost and Found. The Lost and Found office helps you if your bag or item is missing. You can say, "Excuse me, I lost my luggage. Where is the Lost and Found counter?" Customs. Before you exit, you must go through customs. Officers may ask about items you're bringing into the country. Be honest and show your customs form if needed. Exit. Finally, follow the signs to exit. That's where you leave the secure area, and your journey officially begins.
Great job, everyone! Now let's review the words we learned today. Repeat after me. Purpose of visit. Vacation. Return ticket. Agricultural products. Fingerprint scanner. Inspection. Proceed. Immigration officer. Arrival card. Customs declaration form. Citizens or residents. Visitors or foreign passports. Baggage claim. Baggage carousel or belt. Suitcase. Lost and found. Customs. Exit. Now, let's check how much you remember. We're going to play a fun memory game using the airport words. Here's how it works. I'll show you the word, and you have to pick the right picture from 3 choices before time runs out. Ready? Let's focus and begin. Okay, first one is citizens or residents. Did you find the matching picture? Yes, the answer is the middle one. Great job, everyone. Next one, baggage claim. Which picture shows the baggage claim area? That's right, the first one on the left. You're doing awesome. Here we go with visitors or foreign passports. Did you spot it? Yep, it's the last picture. Nice work. All right, let's try something new. Listen carefully to the question and find the picture that matches it. Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner. Can you find the right picture? Yes, exactly. It's the one with the scanner. You nailed it. Next one. Are you bringing any agricultural products? Which picture do you think it is? That's right, it's the one with fruits, vegetables, or seeds. Awesome! Here comes the last one for the round. Baggage from flight KE 902 will arrive at carousel number 5. Can you find the right picture? Yes, exactly. That's the one on the right. Great work, everyone. All right, everyone. It's time for round 2. In this game, you'll listen to a situation and guess the missing word in a sentence. Each blank starts with a letter hint. So listen carefully and think fast. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's the first one. You're traveling for fun or sightseeing, and you hear, "What's the purpose of your visit?" How do you answer? What word starts with V? That's right. Vacation. I'm here for vacation. Next question. You're at the baggage claim, but your bag doesn't show up. Do you know the missing word? Yes, suitcase. My suitcase hasn't arrived yet. Great job! Okay, last one for this round. Your bag or item is missing. Can you guess it? That's right. Lost and found. Where is the lost and found counter? Perfect! So, today we learned useful words and expressions for immigration and after arrival at the airport. Now you know how to answer questions like, "What's the purpose of your visit?" Or, "Do you have a return ticket?" And how to find your baggage or go through customs smoothly. If this lesson was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next English lesson. See you in the next video!